Today we're gonna talk about what weight is. Now, if you haven't watched my videos on mass, force, and acceleration, then you might wanna do that first. My weight is my heaviness. As I'm standing here, my weight is equal to my mass times the acceleration due to gravity, or my mass times the strength of the pull that Earth has on me towards its center. If I was to jump into the air, while I was falling, I would be weightless, because even though gravity, Earth, was still pulling me downward with a force, I wasn't touching anything yet, besides, well, the air. And only when I hit the ground did I feel weight, because then the ground was pushing back up on me. The name of the force that the ground, that the concrete, is exerting back up on me as gravity is pushing me into it is called contact force, or normal force. Normal just means perpendicular. You know, if this line's like this and this line's straight against it, then they're perpendicular to each other. If you want to know how much you weigh, you also want to know how much normal force you have. If I and the ground were to rotate 90 degrees, then gravity would be pointing this way, right? This is the new down. If I were to put the scale on the ground and try to see how much I weighed, I weigh 0 pounds. That's because there's 0 contact force between me and the concrete, because gravity's pushing me that way, not this way. I would start to fall. If the world were to suddenly rotate back upright again, then I bet you I would weigh 175 pounds. Yep, because gravity is now pushing me down so that the concrete can push me up. The more mass you have, the more marshmallows you eat, the more gravity can pull down on you, the more the ground can resist you, and the more you weigh. Yeah! So if that definition of weight made sense to you, great, it's fine. But if you wonder what weight really is, then click the link here to see my video on what it really is. And there might not be a video there yet because I haven't made it yet, but I'll make it really soon. Thanks for watching Redneck Physics. Wow, if you want a good example of heaviness, just look at this thing. Like a night in the forest. My weight. Today we're going to talk about what weight is. This is good. Leave me down. Why gravity? Gravity's a weird thing. I mean, it's weird. Things you learn about in physics doesn't mean it's simple. My heaviness. Gravity that's pushing you down. I already said that, yeah. The Earth pulling me down. Good. Save the air. Yeah, there you go.